Hi, my name is JinJa Birkenbuell. I am the CEO of Burke Creative and the founder of the Honest Field Guide podcast. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you so much. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. You could be anywhere in the world, but you decided to come here and listen to me and watch and learn, and I'm so grateful. Today, I am here to review lip balms. I have previously reviewed hair bonnets and do-rags and also candlestick matches. And the reason I do these reviews is that I am really becoming more involved in self-care and bringing into my world things that I love and make me feel good and make me feel soft. And lip balm is something that I always carry in my purse. It's always in my pocket. I have it in my backpacks. I take it to the gym. And I have 3 sons and 2 of them cannot live without their lip balm either. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna review lip balm because I have them all over the house, and some of them are really expensive and some are cheap. Actually, I shouldn't even say that. There's no such thing as a cheap lip balm. There's just, you probably, if you are into lip balm, you already know this. Anyway, I've already reviewed several. My lips are feeling dry right now because I've been taking off the lip balm in between my reviews and using alcohol to just take it off because it's like wine. You don't want to drink a wine and have another wine because then the flavors mix. You can't get an idea of what it tastes like. So I'm using alcohol. And a cotton ball. But I've already reviewed one of this version of this company, EOS, which stands for Evolution of Smooth. But now I'm going to be reviewing this, which is the Raspberry Kiwi Splash. It comes with the traditional lip balm, but I also have what's a 24-hour moisture lip balm, and I really am curious about this. So these are done in real time for me. I don't actually prep for these in advance. I'm not like writing a script. I don't have I don't have anything next to me telling me what to say. This is actually happening right now, and I'm going to be putting it on as I'm talking to you to see how it feels, because my first reaction is the most important reaction. So I'm going to open this. I haven't opened it yet. And I'm actually not going to review this one, right? I'm not going to review this one from EOS because I've already done the twin review earlier of this one. I already did these, and so I feel like this is the same, this is just a different flavor, so we don't need to do this. But what I do want to review, and it does come together though, again, it does come together. But what I do want to review, I want to review this 24-hour moisture lip balm because I reviewed another one earlier of a different brand and I really loved it. It was more of a lip gloss, and I'm kind of curious about this. Like, is this also more of a lip gloss? I like it. I like the way the packaging looks. EOS brand has beautiful packaging. I don't know what you think about it, but I think it's fantastic. I love, love, love their packaging. I think it's really great. And I just think I love Raspberry Kiwi Smash. I mean, who wouldn't like a flavor like that? So I'm opening it now, and then it's good. It's one of these kind that actually comes out a little, oh wow, it comes out pretty well. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what, oh, it smells really nice. Okay, this is nice. It's actually, I think I squeezed a little bit too much out. Yeah, I did. That's okay. Okay. This is actually pretty nice. This feels really, really good. I like it. I like it. And you know what? It's not too shiny. Yeah, it's not too shiny. Like one of the other ones I put on was more of a lip gloss. This is a real lip balm. This is not too glamorous, not too shiny. I like it. You should try it. This is a good one. This is definitely going to be in my top 5. This brand, I do love this EOS brand. I think it's one of my son's favorite brands too. The challenge with my son though is that it's really expensive for a young child. But you know what? It's really good lip balm. But you know what? He goes through lip balm like food. I don't even get it. This is nice. I like it. I highly recommend this one. This is probably going to be in my top 5. So whenever I do these reviews, I write a long blog post on my website, which is at burkecreative.com, and I talk about them in a little bit more detail, and I include the YouTube videos. So anyway, this is a good one. Highly recommend. Definitely go for it. This is the EOS brand. This is Raspberry Kiwi Splash. It tastes really nice. It smells really nice. It's not too much shine. It also comes with this, in the package as well. So if you just want to straight up like non-shiny, you can have this one. So highly recommend. It works. I think my lips are definitely kissable. Thanks for coming, and please make sure you subscribe.